I'm Zira. I did some research on the macaw parrot. I'll explain why it's in danger of extinction and the precautions taken about this issue. The population of macaw parrots is endangered due to illegal pet trade, deforestation, and low reproductive success. Their bright colors and intelligence make them highly sought after, especially as chicks, leading to widespread illegal capture and sale. Additionally, the destruction of tropical rainforests for agriculture and logging has reduced their nesting sites and food sources. In the wild, macaws reproduce slowly and take a long time to raise their young, which makes population recovery difficult. In response to these threats, macaws have been placed under international protection, with their trade restricted or banned under global agreements. Conservation efforts such as protecting forests, raising awareness among local communities, and breeding programs that release macaws back into the wild have begun to show positive results, with some species showing signs of population increase.
Hello, I'm Azud. I did some research on pandas. I'll explain why they're in danger of extinction and the precautions taken about this issue. The panda's population has been endangered due to habitat loss, low reproduction rates, and their dependence on bamboo for food. Forests in the mountainous regions of China have been destroyed by agriculture, urbanization, and infrastructure development, making it difficult for pandas to find food and live safely. Additionally, pandas can only reproduce a few days each year, which slows population growth. To address these problems, conservation areas have been established, artificial breeding programs have been implemented, bamboo forests are being replanted, and international collaborations have been formed. As a result, the giant panda's status has improved from endangered to vulnerable, meaning the risk of extinction has begun to decrease.
Hello. I'm Asai. I did some research on the Dorcas gazelle. I'll explain why it's in danger of extinction and the precautions taken about this issue. The Dorcas gazelle is endangered due to excessive hunting, habitat loss, and climate change. They have been heavily hunted for their meat, hides, and as trophies, which has caused a rapid decline in their population. Additionally, agriculture, urban development, and infrastructure projects have damaged the desert and semi-desert areas they inhabit, making it difficult for them to find food and water. Climate change, especially increased drought and desertification, further threatens their survival. In response, conservation efforts include legal protection, hunting bans, the establishment of nature reserves, and breeding programs where gazelles are raised in captivity and then released into the wild. Despite these efforts, the Dorcas gazelle remains classified as a vulnerable species, and continued protection is essential for their survival. Lake Salda is a freshwater lake located in the Burdur province of Turkey, famous for its natural beauty. With a depth of approximately 184 meters, it is one of the deepest lakes in Turkey. It is often called the Maldives of Turkey due to its turquoise waters and white sandy shores. The lake is also scientifically significant for its rare white rocks, hydromagnesit, and microbial life forms. Causes of pollution in Lake Salda. Tourism pressure. The increasing number of visitors, especially in coastal areas, leads to pollution and the degradation of the natural environment. Vehicle access and construction. Entry of vehicles and construction activities around the lake threaten the ecosystem. Waste, trash, plastics, and other waste left by picnickers pollute the lake. Swimming and mud bathing. These activities damage the sensitive white sands and the lake water. Despite being under protection, the ecological balance of the lake remains at risk due to human impact.